We begin tonight with continuing coverage as more witnesses take the stand for Zachary Adams' post-conviction hearing. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Brad Douglas. Terry Jones has the evening off. WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News reporter Brooklyn Kent is back from Savannah, where the hearing was held today. Brooklyn.
Yes, TBI agent Kathy Ferguson continued her testimony as she took the stand as key witness to the Holly Bobo case. Defense attorney Doug Bates began questioning Ferguson about ATM footage that was acquired.
Which is exactly what the video showed, right?
It does show that, but we didn't know that.
I understand.
Mr. Adams, Shane, Dylan, none of them ever said that. So getting these records that show that there was an ATM withdrawal, it doesn't have a timestamp. So we could have looked at the ATM video and seen, I don't know how many cars came through there that day.
Defense attorney Doug Bates continued his argument that the footage taken from the ATM was key evidence as to where Adams was during the time of Holly Bobo's disappearance. However, Ferguson shared that the footage was not easy for anyone to make out the type of vehicle or passenger. She also shares that this footage only became important once Adams spoke to Dr. Spirko.
Mr. Adams was using another inmate's pen to make phone calls and was talking more freely using that inmate's pen. And he and Dr. Spirko had several conversations about making sure that that was kept secret so that we weren't aware of the phone calls they were having.
Ferguson worked on this case by organizing the information that was given from different agents. Bates believes that the evidence that agents gave at the time of the case, such as Adams' Facebook logins, bank records, footage from the bank, and phone records, was evidence that could not be manipulated. During cross-examination, prosecuting attorney Amy Wyrick argued differently.
And last but not least, what ATM video footage have you seen that causes you to question, be concerned about, worried about the guilty Zach Adams that sits to my left?
None.
Ferguson shared that the footage was hard to make out who was in the car, and the footage did not have a timestamp to help Adams' proof of innocence. She shared that Adams nor Shane Austin shared they were at the bank prior to knowing there was footage.
How many times did Shane Austin, when talked to by law enforcement, how many times did he say, "Oh man, y'all got it wrong. We got nothing to do with this. We were at the bank. They were trying to help me get money out"?
Zero.
Court will convene on Friday, November 19th, with more witnesses set to take the stand. Live in studio, Brooklyn Kent, WBBJ 7 Eyewitness News.